Hey guys, we received this Phomemo portable printer to test and try. This is model M832. It's an inkless printer and connectivity is through Bluetooth portable or the wireless, So this comes in a really nice carry bag, as you can see it here. So let me just open it and the zipper, and you can see a small printer with additional rolls, manual, charging cable and stuff. So let me just show you everything one by one. So you can see an adapter here, USB to USB-C, and also charging at the data cable here. They are the different sizes thermal paper rolls. So this is on the thermal printing. So that's how these different rolls are for the different sizes for different needs. So this is the main printer, really small and portable printer I can see and from here. So you can see all the things. So this is the M832 model and describe the whole process. You have to press these two buttons to open this printer, and then there is a big roll A4 size inside. This is just the protective layer, and this is the main A4 size roll. So this is a really great thing that you can do. So let me just open this roll. So this is a thermal roll that you can just open and just put it inside the printer with a little paper outside. Just click it, and you can also connect it through the data cable with the PC, or you can also connect it to the Bluetooth wireless connectivity with the mobile with the app as well. So I will show you that process. I'm just putting this three roll aside, but yeah, there are the three different roles for labels or anything you want to do. So I'm just connecting with this app is a Phomemo app. So once I just take it or download this app, open it and just start using it. So this will connect to the printer, and let me just put a paper a little bit out. So I'm just putting a very small text just for the demo purpose, and then the connectivity thing. So I started this printer. As you can see it here, the lights is on and then start blinking for connection. Once connected with the app here, you can see that it recognizes the printer, and once connected, you can give a direct command of printing from your cell phone. So as I said, you can connect it directly to the computer with this USB, or you can connect it through the mobile as well. So I'm just choosing a very one small file so that I can show you the demo. And this is a thermal printing, so it don't have any ink. So it's an inkless printer. So there is no ink cartridge or nothing inside. It just work on the thermal printing. You can see that you can just choose a file and just click on the print action, and once connected, this will start working. So see, the paper is start rolling, and because I chose the A4 size, so this will just come up from this roll up to the A4 size, and then you can just print the whole paper. You can see the printing quality here. So this is a nice test print and a nice printer, portable printer to carry it anywhere with this thermal rolls that is available in the different sizes and things. So it's a very nice working portable inkless thermal printer with the great carrying case. And if you want to just move in, just put in the stuff, put in your cables and everything, and just take it anywhere with you to just print your things. So a very nice portable thermal printer with the carry case.